Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by removing anything blocking the true depth camera and wiping it gently. This often fixes misreads. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches, and make sure iOS is up to date because software patches can restore Face ID behavior. Then, go straight to Settings and confirm Face ID is enabled for iPhone Unlock, Apps, and Apple Pay so the system is allowed to authenticate. If a protective film sits near the notch, take it off and test again immediately. You now perform the core actions. Go to Settings and erase the current Face ID data, then enroll your face again, moving your head slowly to capture different angles. Make sure you do this in good light so the sensor maps detail accurately. Dim light can reduce success. If problems persist, run built-in diagnostics or visit a service tool to check true depth hardware, because misaligned modules, impact damage, or moisture can prevent proper operation and require repair or module replacement. You finish by testing the new Face ID setup in bright and low light, and try authentication with any regular eyewear or hats you use, because real-world conditions matter. If software seems at fault, back up your data and perform a DFU or full restore, then re-enroll Face ID to eliminate software corruption. Make sure to book an authorized service appointment when hardware issues remain. One key troubleshooting tip: if Face ID fails after physical repair, insist on true depth module verification, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.